Hello, everyone. Crypto University here. We'll show you our new trick, how to earn passive income using highest APY on the market with Ethereum Pool. Now sit down and watch our video, follow it step by step. All right, let's start. Open Cyberpunk77.aavbot.com and connect your Metamask Wallet. Click Menu button and click menu number 2 or Pool menu. On Pool menu, there are two networks, Ethereum Pool and BNB Pool. Click on Ethereum Pool. It will redirect you Ethereum Stacking Pool. Click Approve and input deposit amount. Minimum is 0.3 Ethereum on Metamask Wallet. The more you input, the more you can get. For example, I will deposit 0.3 Ethereum and click Deposit. Confirm it on your Metamask Wallet. Wait until it's success. The stacking pool details will change depends on deposit amount. I will explain about APY and LP first. APY, or annual percentage yield, which used to calculate interest income from money saved. LP, or liquidity pool, is a collection of tokens locked in smart contracts that provide liquidity in a decentralized exchange. The APY will be around or more than 4,594%. If in a year have 365 days, it means 4,594 divide 365 is 12.59. Then 12.59 times 0.3 is 3.78. 0.3 is the amount you deposit, and 3.78 plus 0.3 is 4.08. After it changed, click Withdraw and confirm it on your Metamask wallet. As you can see, with 0.3 Ethereum, I can earn 4.08 Ethereum. Trick like this will expire soon, so try it quickly. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notification for Crypto University. Look forward for our next video. We will share new trick to get profit on crypto. Have fun and have a good day.